In this video, I show how to make one BTC without doing nothing. Stay tuned and find out what it is. If you're new here, this is online business entrepreneur YouTube channel where you can see lots of video, lots of strategy about how to make money online and keep it, and you can grow your business. So hit the subscribe button and share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to like this video for the YouTube algorithm. Like I said before, we're gonna see how to make one BTC in one day without doing nothing work, without doing any work. Easily you can make one BTC, and you probably know what is the BTC value of. When BTC mean bitcoins, I think everybody knows about this. One BTC is almost 48,000 US dollar. It's getting a 50k, nearly 50k in about 2 months, or in a March it almost gone upper than at 50k. So Bitcoin is growing and Bitcoin is the future. In this video I show how to make one BTC. So watch till end and find what this website is. So without any further ado, I show the first website you can use to make one BTC without doing anything. And if you watch till end, and you can find those other website, you can combine together and you can make some good amount of BTCs with this. So the first website, like I said before, is called Bitcoingenerator.online. This is a simple website. Basically, we mine Bitcoin using our browsers. Can easily can This is the best way you can make money without doing nothing. Just run on your miner in the background, and you can do whatever work you can do. Obviously, it's drain your performance a little bit, but it's good. You can easily get paid by doing nothing. It's a simple money you can easily get paid for doing nothing. Like for this, you have at least one Bitcoin wallet address. What I mean, Bitcoin wallet address is called like a PayPal account. If you have a PayPal account, then only you can send money to your PayPal account. This is like those PayPal account. If you have a Bitcoin wallet address, then only you can send your Bitcoin and store Bitcoin. Once this price reach, and you can sell those Bitcoin. Simple. I highly recommended to create a Coinbase for Bitcoin wallet address. This is easy, and this is a trustworthy, and this is the big company. You can easily create a Bitcoin wallet address just using your email. Sure, click on get started. So automatically take you to the sign up page where you can sign up by first name, put your last name, email, change password, choose password. Simple as you think, and easily, and you can click and create account. It's good to go. Once you create account, click verify your email, and you can send and receive any Bitcoin wherever you want. Okay, and once you get your Bitcoin wallet address, just come out to this and paste your wallet address here. Once you paste your wallet address, select your amount of BTC you want to mine today. Just maximize your BT, or just middle of put to the marker in the middle. If you maximize this slider, it will drain your computer performance very highly and very fastly. If you put low, it get mildly drain your performance. If you put in middle, it's like in between. It's not gonna take your performance that highly, or it not gonna take your performance that slowly. So highly recommended put in the middle, or put in high, not put in a lowly slide. So put and click start button. It's easily start mining here. Once you put email address, wallet address, Bitcoin wallet address. Simple, easily you can withdraw your money just once you reach the minimum quality, and you can do it over and over again without any. This is running 24/7, like I said before. It's available worldwide, doesn't matter, 24/7. And these are the some people and some testimonial. Without any further ado, let's dive into the second website. I show you how you can make one BTC without doing anything. Second website is called quantiplied.com. It's kind of like a mining site, but it's like a higher and professional mining site because there is over 1.2 million paid already. Easily, it's almost 1.2 million paid already and trusted by over 1.7 million users. It's like you can install some little piece of software, then you can run the software in backend and you can make money. Basically, it's mining in Bitcoin, but you can mine a Bitcoin and hire it not by a cloud or browser system. It's by a pure pure hardware. You can do in your phone also because there is available app in the Google Play Store. I show the app. So watch till and these are the companies are working here. These are the top companies: Finet Lab and Service and your Service. And this is how does this work. First, you need to sign up, and next complete some surveys, offers, do watch videos, click and play. This is little one different. If you want to mine, you need to complete some little bit of task, then you can earn tokens. Once you earn tokens, you can good to go. You can easily ready to mine and you can make one BTC in a one day. It's a simple. Just finish some service. It's not like any big survey. It's a little service and watch videos and click finish some tasks. Task like your email, where are you from, something like that. It's not like any personal but general. You can easily put anything you want. You can get your token. Once you get a token, you can good to go to mine easily. Like I said before, this is a basically mining and this is the complete future. Loyalty bonus, earn interest, deposit coin, send Bitcoin directly to your Counterplay account, even more. Once you get a Bitcoin in a Counterplay account, you can directly send to your Coinbase account. I mean Bitcoin wallet address. If you if you don't want to create a Coinbase account, you can create any other wallet address. I highly recommend Coinbase or Bitcoin wallet address. Okay, and reward points, multiple coins, community, fast payment, withdraw your coins anytime to face it up or your Bitcoin or your Dash wallet. Easily, you can easily instantly get your, and there is also 25% referral. If you if you refer your friend, you earn 25% of all your referral claims and 10% of their earnings. Easy, you can easily get by using also affiliate marketing. And this is offers completed almost 26 million and first claims 99 million, total users 1.7 million, and Bitcoin owned most 201 Bitcoin. It's good website. You can easily get paid, do it over and over. And I show the payment proof because everybody want to know how this work, and this is the some of the payment proof. This cryptocurrency facility is number third in the world. And there is almost a 4.4 out of 6. This is the review like a forum. You can come out to this and you can read about this website. Is this the legit or not? But this is the legit website. People are making good amount of money with this website. So feel free to join this website and make one BTC per day. The last but not least is called Bitcoingenerator dot bitcoingeneratorsite.com. It's like also BTC generator. This is the website. It's like a easy, and this is how it's work. The BitPro, a powerful Bitcoin generator engine. You can get a powerful algorithm and make a search of fund public accounts and look back and mine Bitcoin. You can mine Bitcoin. It's a passive income, and you can do whatever you want to do. Once you run this software in a background, and you can get paid. It's easy money. You can do watch videos or watch Netflix, whatever you want. and you get paid for that. It's a simple way to make money, guys. So get on this video and like this video, share with your friends and family who wants to make a passive income easily and get a Bitcoin millionaire. Be a Bitcoin millionaire. This is the final website. You can, like I said before, just to come out to this Bitcoin generator site and click generate now. It automatically take you to the mining page. Here you can select your BTC amount. You can select up to 1 BTC amount. If you select 1 BTC amount, put your Bitcoingenerator address and click generate BTC. That's all. It's good to go. You can generating or printing money daily, day by day, second by second, minute by minute. You can do it just without any hindrance. Simple. You can easily get paid by just doing simple thing. This is the video, today's video, how you can make 1 BTC without doing anything in a one day. And if you like this video, hit the subscribe button, share with your friends and family, and comment below about thought and about future video about any video ideas. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Until then, peace out.